First, go to titles and drop default title on track 1. Double click on it and enter your text. Then change font to Rajdhani Regular and increase text spacing by 5. Click on Advanced and change text fill to image fill and select given golden texture image. Now take a screenshot of text and delete the text file from timeline. Now go to Project Media and import other supporting files along with sound effect. Now drop background clip on track 1 and place playhead at 10th frame and change background position. Now place playhead at 6 second and 10th frame and decrease background duration. Now drop window reflection on track 2 and decrease its duration. Select background clip, double click on it and in animation decrease opacity to 0. Now place playhead at 1 second and 10th frame and increase opacity to 100%. Now drop text screenshot on track 3 and increase its duration. Place playhead at starting point and double click on it and decrease opacity to 0. And place playhead at 1 second and 30th frame and increase opacity to 100. Now place playhead at 5 second and 10th frame and increase scale to 105. Then place playhead at the end point and increase scale by 0.5 and decrease opacity to 0. Place playhead on third keyframe and select background. Add blank keyframe and place playhead at the end point and change opacity to 0. Now again drop window reflection on track 4, double click on it, go to video and change opacity to 60% and decrease its duration. Now drop dust particle clip on track 5, decrease its duration, double click on it and change its blending mode to screen. Now drop flare clip on track 6, increase its speed to 2x and decrease its duration. Then go to Effect, search for Sharp and apply Luma Sharp on track 7 and increase its duration. Double click on it and decrease intensity to 20. Now search for Fuzzy Effect and apply it on track 8 and increase its duration. Double click on it and change alpha to 50%. Now apply cinematic bars. Double click on it and increase border height by 0.10. Now finally apply sound effect and export this clip at higher rate. Now let's play it. This is how you can create further clip as long as you want. Download these files for free from my website. If you like this video, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. See you guys in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Goodbye. Jai Hind.